How's everyone doing on this semi-chilly afternoon? Right now I'm showing you this very nice burgundy color 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Very nice truck, beautiful color, body's in beautiful condition. You know, tires practically brand new, 59,000 miles, which is really good. You got some running boards on there, make it look super sporty and nice and even bigger. Four-wheel drive, navigation, leather, all the good stuff. Automatic tailgate, you know, you got the dual exhaust. Very nice truck, you know, family truck, you know, chilling truck, whatever you want this baby for. Go ahead and show HIDs, fog lamps, a lot of nice little goodies on this one. Check out that leather, very nice leather. No sunroof on this one, but you've got the navigation. And there you have it, 59,000 miles. Got the nice big large screen, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You've also got rear heated seats on this car. We got some options for the four-wheel drive system. The digital shifter right there, pretty cool. This is my stuff, don't worry about this. Don't worry about these seats, I just gotta put them back into place. I was having a little trouble putting that back, but that goes right into place. But yeah, you've got heated seats, you got two rear USB inputs right here. Obviously this has Bluetooth and all that stuff. Let me show you. You got the automatic lift gate. A lot of good space back here. A lot of space back here. Push of a button, bring that door back down. And she comes down. Check out the thread on those tires, pretty much brand new. So there you have it. Very beautiful 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, 59,000 miles. Come check us out. I actually got a super good price on this one compared to some other Jeep Grand Cherokees I've had. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace and love, y'all.